Now I will explain you what is the Lifecycle Manager. Lifecycle Manager is basically Lifecycle model is basically when your user joins the organization until the time they are present in the organization. Let's say, for example, you joined an organization 3 years back and still you are in the organization now. Tomorrow you are leaving. So in this whole time period, basically, you are part of that organization. In that time period, you might need access on different application, different entitlement which is not assigned to you when you initially joined. So for that reason, what you can do, you can go here Manage Access Manager Access. You can select that user. Let's say I want to request something for Adam Kennedy. So you see 3 steps here, 1, 2, 3. First, I will select the user. Second, access, what access I have to assign. Search here. It will give you all the access that we have here in the entitlement catalog. Okay, all are requestables. So, for example, if you click here, if you mark that non-requestable, it will not come here. You cannot request for it. Okay, this is how we control it. Now let's isolate this DPA. Next. So if you see Review and Submit, I already selected one user, Adam Kennedy. This is the Add Access which access DPA on financial application. You can submit this. You can provide comment. Submit this. You can track the request. Request number is 2. This is your request here. Currently, it's waiting for the approval. Now, how can you remove the existing access? Manager Access. Select any user, let's say Amanda Ross. Next, you have to click here, Remove Access. It will show you all the users that this user has. So right now this user has no access. So we'll go back here and we'll select user. Who has some access? So I selected 4 users. Next, Manage Access. Oh, okay, for the 4, we cannot. Okay. Let's go with Adam Kennedy. Remove access. Yeah, so currently, you see it is showing requested. It is not assigned. Okay, so that's the reason this button is disabled. But this to access input and payroll analysis is already provided to Adam Kennedy. So you have option to which one you want to remove. Next. We will submit Adam Kennedy remove access. This is a access submit. So, by using this mechanism, you can add access, you can remove access. Okay, so now I'll show you. So basically, how it works is, anyone cannot see all the user, all the employee cannot see this data, all the user cannot select the request access for another user. Okay. So this, control, we have decided through the population. We call it quick link population. So basically a Sailpoint come with 4 type of quick link population here. If you go to global setting, click here quick link populations. These are the 4 population. Everyone. What quick links will be visible to all the user, all the normal users, everyone. So these are the quick links will be visible. Okay, from that quick link. If you see, manage account is not selected. So end user cannot request for manage account. Okay, let's select the manager. All user who are manager. What quick links will be visible to them? So managers can use this manage account and manage password. Okay, so this is how it get controlled. So who can see what we can control here? If you want to define new quick link population, you can also define your own quick link population. But let's say, for example, I am the part of this manager population. Okay, so whatever options are selected, I can use those options. So generally end user cannot request for anyone. Basically in general manager can request for their subordinate. So no, basically C. Sailpoint provides this flexibility intentionally. Okay, previous issue was all this option. It was very difficult to control that. Okay, there's a user set. Any user set, they should not use this advanced analytics. There's a user set. They should be able to see this link right. It was very difficult to manage. Okay, so what they do? They introduce this concept of quick link. Okay, you will expand this quick link from here. Now, whenever you click on any quick link, the quick link is basically comes directly from here. So, based on this quick link population, the criteria is defined in the backend. So whenever a user log in into this Sailpoint, that time this quick link evaluation happens. Okay, for example, I am as a SP admin. So when I log in it will evaluate what quick link should be visible to me. Then only it will show you this quick links. That's why, whenever we make any change in the quick link, we have to log out and log in again to see the reflection. So, if you remember this, we configured this manager coalition right. So this user, Douglas Flores. This is configured as a manager on Adam Kennedy right. So if you open this identity, you will see this manager flag, equal to true. That you will not see here on the CUI, but you will see in the debug page. Open the debug page. Identity. On the top manager status true. Second option you can try here, go to advanced analytics. We have one more option here out of the box. Is manager equal to true? So now it will only bring all the users who are configured as a manager in Sailpoint. The total 48 users. Okay, so manager flag is basically automatically generated by this mapping. Okay. Let's say, today a new user joined. Okay. The user has no relation with any other user or as a manager. Okay, no hierarchy. Now, if I change this user, Adam Kennedy, and put that new username here, the user will automatically become a manager. Manager status will become true on that user identity. Okay, so this option is used to request for entitlement. But let's say entitlement you can only request when you already have account. Okay, basically you have account on some application. Now you need some more different access. So you will request for entitlement. But let's say, if you want to request for account, that you will request from here, manage account option. Here you will see this option, request account. Now this button is disabled, right? So the reason is the quick link population is not configured here. So what we'll do? We'll update the quick link population global setting. Quick link population. Okay, everyone, quick link, manage account. I can use for self, I can use for others. For others only option is single. I can manage the existing account. I can request new account. I can add basically a duplication of account. I can request multiple account same. Okay, and same for the request access. Oh, this is fine. Manage account is fine for now. Save this right.